Hi guys, welcome back to another DIY video guys. So in this video we are going to be making our own homemade coconut oil. This has been on my mind for the longest time to make, so the time has finally come for we to make our coconut oil. Coconut oil is one very good oil that should not be missing in the home. When it comes to the hair, it helps for extreme hair growth, and it also helps to relieve dandruff, moisturize the hair, and also helps to promote a soft, smooth, and a silky skin. It helps for eczema. If you're having any signs of eczema, it's going to help to tackle it and help to keep your skin moisturized and soft, and also protect your skin from the harmful rays of the sun. So do not miss out on this video guys. Stay tuned till the end. Welcome back guys. So the first thing we're going to do is to take out our coconut from the shell. So I actually got this much because I want to also make coconut rice. It's been a long time I ate it, so I'm decided to use this opportunity to also make coconut rice guys. So this is me now taking out the coconut from the shell gently using a small knife. Then after doing that, so these are the coconuts that I'm going to be using for our coconut oil. Okay, so you can see it has been nicely removed from the shell. The next thing you want to do is to wash it. Do not just take it to your blender and blend it immediately. You want to make sure that you wash it thoroughly. After washing the coconut, the next thing you do is to chop it into tiny pieces. Then you put it in your blender to blend. Do not just put it inside your blender like that. You want to make sure that you chop it into tiny pieces and you blend it accordingly. As you can see me sieving out the chaff from the coconut milk. This is how it looks like right now. So guys, this part of the coconut chaff was the one that wasn't blended. Like, I grated it because I wanted to make coconut candy. I really want to enjoy my coconut to the fullest. So if you want me to show you guys how I made my coconut candy, come down to the comment section and type in show us how to make our candy, and in no time you'll get the video. Now we've been able to extract the chaff from the coconut milk. Coconut milk is actually very good for taking because it helps for weight loss, bone health, and metabolic function. So this is me right now sieving out the milk out of the sieve for any residue. Then I'm going to cover it properly and put it in the warmest part in the kitchen or around the house. You can decide to put it in a refrigerator if you can't wait, but you want to make sure that you are taking notes. So after 12 hours, this is what we've got. Our coconut milk has been fermented, and you can see that the cream has been separated from the water. You can see the cream on top of it and the water is down. The next thing you're going to do is to scoop it out of the water. So right now guys, I'm going to leave it a little bit more so that it can ferment properly, so that it's going to be easy for me to scoop it out. Okay, so voila, as you can see now, it's easy for me to actually scoop out the cream out of the coconut water. After taking out all the coconut cream out of the water, then you're going to put it in your frying pan to fry it or to cook it in medium heat. It must be in medium heat, okay? And this is not something that you cook and you just leave it. You have to be there stirring it properly so that you can monitor the progress. So you can see our oil has come out and the creamy particles are beginning to solidify to give us our coconut oil. Voila, our coconut oil is ready, and you can see it is pure white. There's no so much color right here, as you can see it right now, because I cook it in medium heat. So after doing that, you're going to allow it to settle down for a while. And this is it. You can see the creamy particles down and our oil is on top of it. The next thing you do is to sieve out the oil from the creamy particles. Be very careful so no particles will be able to drop inside. You can also use your cheesecloth. Not also, you should also use your cheesecloth to make sure that there is no single particles left inside of it. You can see the color of this coconut oil, right? It is pure white. Trust me guys, it is pure white. It's not giving this brownish color. But if you want your coconut oil to actually give you this brownish color, like give you color, you can fry it a little more. Like you can fry it a little bit more to give you this color. Like this particular one, I actually fried it a lot more. Now guys, our both coconut oils are ready, and mind you, no oil was added to actually make this coconut oil. It was just the coconut cream that was used. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until then, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.